Today we are going to see about chapter number 2, nutrition in animals. So chapter 2, nutrition in animals. So what are the topics we are going to see about in this lesson is animal nutrition and base of food intake, human digestive tract, steps in human digestion, and important gland which are related to the digestion and digestive system, and digestion herbivores, that is plant eating animal, how it gets digested, and then nutrition and digestion in amoeba. So in the previous lesson itself, we have learned about the nutrition in plants, how does the plant gets nutrients like photosynthesis, then autotrophs, heterotrophs. Under heterotrophs, we have seen many types like parasites, saprophytes, insectivorous, like that. But this animal also comes under heterotrophic nutrition only because it depends upon the plants directly or indirectly. Okay. So, and in sixth standard, you have learned about all the feeding habits of animal. If it is a plant eating animal, it is called herbivorous. The flesh eating animal is called carnivorous. And then both plant and flesh eating animal are called as the omnivorous. Okay, and then eating dead of the that is eating flesh of the dead animals are called as scavengers. And the animals which depends upon the other living animals for their survival are called parasites. So these are all the terms which you have learned already in sixth standard. So now we are going to see about this nutrition in animals. So what are the animal nutrition includes? Basically, nutritional requirement, mode of intake and utilization by our body. Okay. So next slide. What are the essential nutrients? This also we have learned in sixth standard: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. So in this lesson, we are going to see about how far these digestive materials are breaking down into a simpler form and how it is converting into one energy. Okay. So next, coming to digestion, breaking down of complex food to simpler substances are called as digestion. Okay. Now, next one, the mode of intake of food vary in different organisms. Yes or no? We will eat through mouth. And think about the snake, it will swallow the food as a whole. Think about this insects, it will suck its prey. What do you mean prey? Suck its food through the proboscis, that antenna that is called proboscis. How about the snake? It will slowly walk on the leaf and it will eat the leaves and everything. Yes or no? So the mode of intake of food, that process called ingestion. So that we will be seeing in the further classes. Okay. So each organism varies in their eating habit. Okay. That is in their mode of intaking of the food habit. Okay. So next, coming to nutrition in starfish. In that case, I'm going to show an example of here nutrition in starfish. It feeds on animals covered by hard shells. Starfish pops out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animal inside the shell. And stomach then go back into the body. The food is slowly digested. So based on this, I have shown you the video during class time. Okay. Now coming to steps in animal nutrition. What are the steps involved in animal nutrition? I told about the holozoic nutrition in the class. What is the holozoic nutrition? The mode of intaking of food through mouth is called as holozoic nutrition. Okay. So it includes 5 main steps. One is ingestion. The other one is digestion. The other one is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Okay. What do you mean by ingestion? Method of obtaining food by an animal. What is digestion? Breaking down of complex food into simpler molecules. What is absorption? Taking of digested food particles into the blood, because it should go into the blood, then only all the nutrients will be all the nutrients will be passed on to the whole body. Then only we'll be getting energy for our whole body. Okay. Next, assimilation. All the digested food should be utilized by our body for energy and materials essential for our body. Okay. That is, the proteins will be developed. Okay. So that you will be learning in the higher classes. Next, egestion. Removal of waste from our body. Okay. So next, coming to the next slide. So human digestive system. So far, we have seen about what are the different types of nutrition which we have learned in the first lesson. I have summarized you, and then here nutrition in animals. What are heterotrophic nutrition? What are the different kinds of food habits of animals like herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and parasites? Next, I have told about you the different types of animals have a different mode of intaking of food. There's a no that is Niles that is bites the leaves, and then will crawl and slowly it will bite the leaves, and then would think about the snake how it will intake the food, and then how about us or animals? We are also one of the animal, yes or no? So how about the animals? That is, we will be taking the food through the mouth, so that the like that many animals have a different ways of ingestion of food. So this we are going to do one activity as an ingestion of food of different animals. Okay, thank you children.